Lesson 6 is called the normal curve. You might know it as the bell-shaped curve. That's what some people call it. It's a normal distribution. It's symmetrical on both sides, and it's how most data is represented. In the normal curve, the mean, the median, and the mode are all the exact same thing. One of the main assumptions about inferential statistics, the stuff we'll talk about in the last third of the course, t-tests, ANOVA, stuff like that, is that the data falls into a normal curve. The good news is data generally does. This figure right here shows the general proportions underneath the normal curve. Remember, proportions are just a decimal point, a couple decimal points away from percentages. So this says between the mean and the first standard deviation, there's 0.34, or about 34% of the data lies there. Add these two together, and we see that 68% of most data falls within one standard deviation. That's pretty normal, if you will. Normal in quotes, I mean. And then you have the extreme situations outside of a single standard deviation. Even within two standard deviations, 95% of the data exists. So it's only in past the second standard deviation that the real weirdness begins. People are either not very bright at all, or incredibly bright over here, there, or super slow, or super fast. Anyway, that's the normal distribution, and we're going to be working with these proportions and percentages in this lesson.